Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials. Check that your Ps5 has the latest system update and that the Wi-Fi network name appears. Then reboot both the console and the router, power off, wait 30 seconds, power back on to clear temporary faults. Once done, confirm you entered the SSID and password exactly, and if your home uses dual-band Wi-Fi, try connecting to the 4 GHz band versus 5 GHz to rule out band compatibility issues. Now dig into settings. On your Ps5, run the network connection test and record the IP, DNS, and latency info so you know what's failing. Next, assign a static IP to the Ps5 and manually set DNS to 8. 8, 8, 8 and 8. 8, 4, 4. This often resolves routing and DNS lookup failures. If problems persist, make sure to disable Ps5 or UPnP on the router temporarily. Some firmwares misroute console traffic. Finish by clearing residual software issues. Boot into safe mode and rebuild the Ps5 database if you see instability after reconnecting. This won't delete games, but can fix corrupt system files. If that fails, reset network settings to defaults before performing any full console reset. This quickly removes bad Wi-Fi profiles. If you still can't connect, use a smartphone hotspot to isolate whether the ISP or router is at fault. If hotspot works, replace or reconfigure the router accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.